my YouTube channel Dr. Medicos. Today's topic is kinetics and kinematics of elbow joint. It carries 15 marks in university exam. Elbow joint is a complex joint. It includes three joints. First is humero-ulnar joint, humero-radial joint, and proximal and distal radio-ulnar joint. It is a type of hinge joint. Articulation of elbow joint. It is of two types, upper articulation and lower articulation. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे अपर आर्टिकुलेशन. इन एक्सट्रीम फ्लेक्शन कोरोनॉइड प्रोसेस ऑफ अल्ना आर्टिकुलेट्स विथ कोरोनॉइड फोसा ऑफ ह्यूमरस. रेडियल हेड आर्टिकुलेट्स विथ रेडियल फोसा ऑफ ह्यूमरस. इस डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं कोरोनॉइड प्रोसेस ऑफ अल्ना आर्टिकुलेट्स विथ कोरोनॉइड फोसा ऑफ ह्यूमरस. Radial head articulates with radial fossa of humerus. And lower articulation in extreme extension, upper surface of radial head articulates with capitulum of humerus. And trochlear notch of ulna articulates with trochlea of humerus. इस डायग्राम में हम देख सकते हैं upper surface of radius articulates with capitulum of humerus. Radial notch of ligaments of elbow joint. First is capsular ligament. It is also called as the annular ligament. Medial collateral ligament. It is also called as the ulnar collateral ligament. Lateral collateral ligament. It is also called as the radial collateral ligament.
Start.
Of elbow joint. It consists of osteokinematics and orthokinematics. In osteokinematics, movement of bones, axis and planes. Flexion and extension takes place in sagittal plane and frontal axis. Then range of motion. Flexion is 0 degree to 135 to 145 degree and extension is 135 145 to 0 degree. Degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is first degree of freedom because only flexion and extension takes place in elbow joint. The next topic is orthokinematics of elbow joint. It carries 7 marks in university exam. Orthokinematics means joint movement. There are two types of joint movement, open kinematic chain and closed kinematic chain. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे ओपन काइनेमेटिक चेन. इन ओपन काइनेमेटिक चेन डिस्टल सेगमेंट मूव्स ऑन प्रॉक्सिमल सेगमेंट. मीन्स डिस्टल सेगमेंट इज स्टेबल and proximal segment are moved, that is radius and ulna are moved. On the basis of concave convex rule, concave surface move on convex surface in same direction, means rolling and gliding occur in same direction. याद रखने के लिए हम यहाँ पे ए से याद रख सकते हैं concave means same, roll and glide occur in same direction. इसमें सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे ह्यूमेरो अल्नार जॉइंट. इन फ्लेक्शन कॉन्केव सरफेस ऑफ ह्यूमरस अल्नार जॉइंट. द फ्लेक्शन कॉन्केव सरफेस ऑफ
Start.
concave ulnar surface moves on convex surface of humerus and roll and glide occur in same direction, that is the anterior and anterior. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस ऑफ ह्यूमरस और कॉन्केव सरफेस ऑफ अल्ना. कॉन्केव सरफेस ऑफ अल्ना मूव्स इन फ्लेक्शन, rolling occur in anteriorly and gliding also occur in anteriorly. In extension, concave surface of ulna goes into posteriorly, gliding also occur in posterior direction. In extension, concave surface of ulna moves on convex surface of humerus. Roll and glide occur in same direction, that is the posteriorly. Second joint is humeroradial joint. In flexion position, concave surface of radius moves on convex surface of humerus, and roll and glide occur in same direction, that is the anterior direction. In extension, concave surface of radius moves on convex surface of humerus, and roll and glide occur in same direction, that is the posteriorly. We will explain rolling and gliding movement of bones. Suppose this is convex surface of humerus and this is concave surface of ulna. ये आप एज्यूम कर सकते हैं convex surface of humerus and concave surface of ulna. Concave surface of ulna move on convex surface of humerus, and rolling and gliding occur in same direction, that is the anterior. यहाँ से अल्ना ऐसे मूव हो रहा है फ्लेक्शन की तरफ और ये रोलिंग और ग्लाइडिंग ऑकर इन सेम डायरेक्शन। और सेम तरीके से एक्सटेंशन, concave surface of ulna move on convex surface of humerus. In extension, the rolling and gliding of ulna occur in posterior direction, that is the posteriorly. Kinematics. Closed kinematics is opposite to the open kinematics. In closed kinematic chain, proximal segment movable and distal segment is stable. Means humerus is movable. That is rolling and gliding occur in opposite direction. यहाँ पे आप याद रखने के लिए x याद रख सकते हैं. Convex surface means opposite का sign. Rolling and gliding occur in opposite direction. First joint is humero-ulnar joint. In humero-ulnar joint, convex humeral surface roll and glide in opposite direction on concave surface of ulna. In flexion position, humerus roll anteriorly. Humerus roll anteriorly over the ulna, but glides posteriorly. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ह्यूमरस रोल फ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, ह्यूमरस का फ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, रोल्स एंटेरियरली और ग्लाइड्स पोस्टेरियरली ओवर द अल्ना. In extension, humerus rolls posteriorly and glides anteriorly of the ulna. रोलिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग ऑफ ह्यूमरस. जैसे कि हमने देखा था ये अल्ना है कॉन्केव सरफेस और ये कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस ह्यूमरस. अब हमें क्लोज काइनेमेटिक्स में अल्ना को स्टेबल रखना है और ह्यूमरस की मूवमेंट है. तो कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस मूव ऑन कॉन्केव सरफेस, फ्लेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमरस ऑकर. तो रोलिंग ऑकर इन एंटीरियर डायरेक्शन, रोल एंटीरियरली हो रहा है और ग्लाइड्स पोस्टीरियरली हो रहा है इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. फिर से आप देख सकते हैं इन फ्लेक्शन ह्यूमरस रोल एंटीरियरली एंड ग्लाइड्स पोस्टीरियरली. इन extension of humerus roll posteriorly but glides anterior to the ulna. फिर से humerus roll posteriorly but glides anterior to the. Second joint is humeroradial joint. Convex surface of humerus, that is the capitulum, roll and glide over the concave surface of radial head in opposite direction. In full extension, there is no contact between articulating surfaces. And in flexion, rim of radial head enters into the radial fossa. At the end of flexion range is reached. Is kinetics of elbow joint. Kinetics means forces. Forces occur during the movement and motion of the joint. Stability of the joint. There are two types of stability. First is static stability, second is dynamic stability. In static stability, it holds the joint together with the help of ligament. First is the medial collateral ligament, second is the lateral collateral ligament. and third is the capsular ligament or annular ligament. Dynamic stability, it helps during motion of the joint like flexion, extension. Flexors, dynamic flexors are biceps, brachialis, brachioradialis. Bicep is the main muscle to help the flexion of the elbow joint. Extensors, extensor is the tricep and anconeus. Triceps is the main extensor for the elbow joint. Anconeus assists the extension of the elbow joint.
Hmm.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.